In today's video, let me show you how to discover Signal contacts. Signal uses your existing phone number, which means all of the contacts that you have saved on your phone number, and checks if those contacts also use Signal or not. If they do use Signal, whenever you create an account, it is automatically synced. And whenever you tap on this pencil icon on the bottom right, it's going to show you all of the people that are inside of your contact list and those people using Signal as well. So you can just take a look at and scroll all through all of this list and find the people that you're trying to chat with. Also, the second thing that you can do is if you don't have phone numbers saved of a particular person, you can tap on the find by phone number option right here and you'll be able to type in the phone number and then find the person inside of Signal even though you don't have their contacts saved on your phone. Also, you can type in the username if you don't know the phone number, or you can also scan the QR code if someone is next to you if you want to start chatting inside of Signal. Now, in order for a contact to be discovered inside of Signal, the privacy settings must be managed. Once you're inside of these settings, tap on the privacy option, tap on the phone number, and this one option must be enabled, which is who can find me by number. If the other person has toggled this option off, meaning you won't be able to find their contacts by searching through their phone numbers as well. So you need to check it out for yourself and try searching through the phone number and find their profiles inside of Signal. So that's all there is for today's video. That was a quick guide on the way that you discover Signal contacts. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.